You want to learn how to do your home makeup by yourself? Then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Mary. Welcome to my Makeup 101 tutorials for beginners. This is the fifth part, and this fifth part is how to apply your powder. You can go and watch other parts. We start from skin prep down to this part. So if you want to watch the whole thing, you can go and watch other parts. So this is the fifth part, and the fifth part is how to apply powder. So we are using this Blossom Makeup high definition setting powder to set our face. Remove the excess. Grab it, remove the excess. Press in. Remove the excess. Pressing. Don't swipe. Pressing. Dab, dab, dab. Don't have the powder on this your cheek, this area where you do your contour and your cream blush, if at all you do cream blush. If you don't do cream blush, that is no problem. But if at all you do a cream blush and a cream contour, you leave this part, because you are going to use a darker powder contour for that part and a powder blush. So you apply only on the area where you put your foundation and your concealer. The part you put your cream contour and your cream blush, you leave those parts. Then you use powder blush and powder contour to set that area. Now we are going to use our powder contour and powder blush. Ezekiel one. Let me use this dark one from Ezekiel Cosmetics. They are Holy Grail mini powder palettes. Next, you're going to do a little bit of nose contour. You can skip this part if you want to, but we use the cream bronzer to contour our nose. So just like the way we use our powder to set our cream contour, we are going to use a little bit of the powder to set our nose contour as well. I know we have already put the other setting powder, but we are still going to add this one just to define it. So you take the contour powder, dust off the excess, start from the ending near the starting of your brows, take it to this part of your eye, start it there, then you take it down a little. It's a little light strokes, you don't press it like that, just small, then you take it down. Put it here, then with a light stroke, take it down. You blend the other one in. Take it down like this, blend the other one in. Then to set the powder blush, to set the cream blush, We are going to use this blush to set the cream blush. So these are to set your cream blush and your cream contour as a beginner.